This is entitled "Tools and a Happy Wife," and I kind of want to cover a couple things for you guys, especially with Mother's Day coming up. One of them is invite your wife into your shop. Give her a space in your shop. Make it a shared experience for the both of you. That happens to be my wife's area over here in the shop. And the thing is, when you want a new tool, you say to your wife, "Honey, but I need a new bandsaw, but we can both use it. It'll be helpful for both of us. It's a tool we can both use." Or, "Honey, I need a new drill press." And you say, "Look, I want to get this drill press, but we can both use it." And by doing that, you can get the tools you need and keep your wife happy at the same time. And to be honest, my wife makes some pretty good things in here, and she sometimes actually embellishes some of my work. So it works on many levels. But just a tip with Mother's Day coming up.